Shreya. I am Audrija Gangopadhyay from the Department of Computer Science and Technology.
My name is Satyam Motwani and I'm from Information Technology aka IT department.
Hello everyone, this is Tanisha Ghosh.
Hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Pratap Hazarika.
Hello, myself Jaita Garai.
The first thing I want to do when I come to college is interact more and more with people so that I can just change this ambivert kind of nature of mine.
I will roam about the college as I'm a nature lover and I heard that there are too much greenery in the college.
थोड़ा हरियाली से खुद को वाकिफ करूंगा if you know what I mean.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
I already had a plan with my friends to have a visit in the Vidisha Lake late night.
Okay, so the next question is, what is one big advantage of online semester? समझ रहे हो ना?
नहीं.
Like without paying attention in the class you can attend the class. इससे बड़ी advantage क्या चाहिए?
Big advantage of online semester is cheating करके सब लेकर आए, फ्री में मार्क मिल रहा है. So यही एक online semester का one of the biggest advantage that we do not have to struggle a little bit for cheating.
चीटिंग करता है तू. चीटिंग करता है तू.
Nothing as such. I tried on 3 different girls, but got rejected from all of them.
Got rejected from all of them.
Error 404.
Firstly, I don't have a crush, and I don't hope to get one too.
क्यों नहीं?
Actually कॉलेज लाइफ के पहले भी कोई नहीं थी और अभी तो स्टार्ट होने वाला, तो पता नहीं आगे कोई मिलेगी भी या नहीं, तो इट्स अनआंसर्ड.
Best pickup line. Yeah.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Kiss me if I'm wrong, but dinosaurs do exist, right?
So the next is, what is your best pickup line? ओ भाई मारो, मुझे मारो.
कोई सेंसेस बात थी?
It's a bit of a cheesy pickup line, but it goes like this: I would fall for you even in the absence of gravity.
तुम्हारे पास एक्स्ट्रा दिल है क्या कि मेरे वाला तो सभी चोरी हो गया.
One day we were playing Bhojpuri music on G-Meet when our maths professor suddenly joined the meeting.
The most embarrassing thing that happened to me in these online class was when my younger brother intentionally unmuted the mic during the physics class and said hello sir, hi sir in front of 90 students approx, and I had to leave the meeting at that very moment.
बहुत गलत हुआ रे देवा, बहुत गलत हुआ.
I think it was my English class. Like I was humming a song and I was just scrolling Instagram. I forgot to switch off my mic. Then later teacher stopped the class and told me that she would give me 5 minutes to sing the song at last.
The universal lingo of IST, which is CAS.
Kaz,
My favorite. Gas.
Kaz is a word I have heard from bhaiyas and didis of this college, and I think this is perhaps the most used word of IIST.
Any IST lingo you have heard or you know, there is no such IST lingo that I have here.
The movie character that I completely relate to is Bunny from Ye Jawan Hai Diwani, because I want to travel the whole world, every corner, every single place.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
Well, sometimes it's Nobita, sometimes maybe.
Ishan from Tare Zameen Par is the only character I can relate myself to.
I don't know, probably like the donkey in Winnie the Pooh, because he just wants to be left alone and sleep all the time.
I want my college life to be the best days of my life. I also expect to get chances in the dances during the college fest.
What I expect from the college life is I expect that I will learn something new in the college and I will improve my language skills and I will try to know about Bengali traditions.
Okay, I have expectations that I want a beautiful college life, memorable college life.
There's many expectations from this college. I want some lifelong friends, a good placement, a girlfriend.
Yes, I did check out the FB page of N7. I was quite surprised to know such a community existed, which is devoted for safety and spreading its awareness across different logistic realms.
Do you know about NSAFE? Honestly, no. I'm very interested to know what it's all about. I honestly still don't.
Yeah, I know a little bit about the NSAFE and I will try to know more about the NSAFE club in our college.
Okay.
So regarding NSAFE, it's the safety club of Engineering Safety Club of IIES-TS. It deals with the safety issues, the one which needs to be addressed seriously, and it's spreading awareness about the same thing among the rest.
कोविड के बाद लाइफ कैसे होगा बस, और ये जो नॉर्मल लाइफ है उसको ज़्यादा वैल्यू देने सीखेंगे हम लोग. बस यही होप करते हैं कि सारा कुछ जल्दी नॉर्मल हो जाए.
सो कोविड के बाद जनरली हम बहुत कुछ सीख के जाएंगे. लाइक वी हैव लर्नड अ लेसन फ्रॉम कोविड, राइट? सो बहुत कुछ सीखे हैं हम कुछ कोविड से. सो वी विल मेंटेन एवरीथिंग.
Probably a life without any mask, without public distancing. We'll go back to normal as it was before COVID. That's all I think about it.